myself Preeti Suyoj. I am working as Senior PS in Customs Department, Ahmedabad. And my husband, Mr. P.K. Suyoj, he is working in Income Tax Department as PS, Ahmedabad. This is my father's property. Then I had demolished it and I reconstructed it. But my mother is of age, so I thought of I need some, if she wants to go up and down, so I thought of installing a lift at my residence. Yeah, I had seen many other lifts in Ahmedabad also, but in that only I had only for first floor only they had the facility, not for the second floor. Then many residents I had visited, and during that period all the lifts were means they needed a pit. We have to dig a pit and it's totally permanent. We cannot move the lift. Then my brother, who Mr. Praveen Karanan, he was also in search of all those things, and he had through net he had searched this Nibhav lift, and he had personally went to Bangalore and he had visited there and he had experienced it, and after that we thought of installing this Nibhav lifts. I would suggest my friends also, if they are preparing their own home, that they can go for this Nibhav lifts. Many of my friends had come down to see exclusive this lift, that how the space is utilized, because this is only 81 square meter plot. In 81 square meter, how did you build a lift? That was a question mark. Everybody had, how did you install a lift? Then when they came and saw this lift, then they were happy also. They told that nothing space is utilized, only that little circle portion. And if I want to shift somewhere else, this can be installed in another place also. So that is the main positive thing I liked it.
If the power goes off, the lift will automatically come down.
And it's working in single phase, so that is also, power consumption is also there. So we don't have to worry for that also. Everything perfect, everything was excellent. We didn't have any problem. Any other query, any problem he had, they used to tell us how to do, what to do, everything.
Or there is no need to extra room for the machine. The wire, there is no wire hanging on the it is very space shuttle, like a space shuttle.
So all the kids come down, auntie, मैं lift में जाऊँ, मैं जाऊँ, जाके ऊपर आऊँ, I tell yeah, go, no problem.